let's get in a quick take then on Dr. Reddy's as well, and what the kind of performance is, that given that we have been talking as well quite extensively about the entire pharma space. And just a quick check-in as well as to what Dr. Reddy's is up to. Remember, assuming importance with respect to its quarterly numbers. So let's connect then with the management. We have Erez Israeli, CEO, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, joining in to talk a little bit more about the pretty phenomenal set of numbers where they beat street estimates. What is the outlook when it comes to pricing trends and the road ahead? Thank you for taking time out. Now, to begin with, the US revenue has been pretty strong. What is the outlook here? What is going to be your overall market share moving in G Revlimid in the current year and then for 25 as well?
So the main growth is attributed to base products, gaining market share, better service, new products, generic Revlimid, and that was partially offset by price erosion. So overall, it's a good performance across all the product lines of the United States. As for generic Revlimid, this we continue to sell it in accordance to the contract, and there is exactly the way we signed it years ago.
So share your thoughts on the entire OTC segment for the DRD and both India and globally, and where have and we've seen most M&A action.
Yes, so we have OTC in the company for a while. We have about $300 million plus of a business across markets. And with this acquisition, we will actually double our OTC and consumer care presence. This is a very important for us as we see more awareness for wellness and more awareness for self-care. In addition to that, the innovators are vacating this space. So we want to continue to invest in this area and to create a meaningful consumer care business for the long term.
Right, and the India business has also done relatively well compared to what we've seen in the past quarters. You had guided for double-digit growth. How do you think we are likely to shape up going forward?
Yes, so there are two main growth drivers that will. One is our base branded generic business. We kept and invest in products that we believe that can grow and have a room to grow also in the future. In addition to that, we are collaborating with innovators who bring innovation to India, both in as new chemical entities or new biological entity, CAR T, digital therapeutics, OTC, nutraceuticals, like the deal we had with Nestle. So it will be, both of them will grow, and we see that as a focus efforts for the company for the future.
Right. Also believe that there has been some price erosion in the Europe region as well. How is it that you're seeing the pricing trends there?
So it's a very normal in a generic business to see price erosion. So you normally in generics growing your base portfolio, try to get market share, new products, and price erosion. I think in this specific quarter versus the previous quarter, we had price erosion on products that we launched last year, but more competition came to them, especially in Germany and the UK.
Share the updates regarding the US generic pricing trend for the base business.
We continue to grow the base business. The primary the primary catalyst for it is better service and better relationship with customers. We put a lot of efforts in service, in inventory that we are building, and the relationship also obviously are related also to new products that will be launched in which you can capture more market share. So the overall trend is very positive for us.
And any more M&As in the pipeline?
We have four type of spaces that we are either having or building business-to-business generics, branded generics and innovation, consumer care and biologics. So four spaces. We are planning both organic and inorganic, including acquisition in each one of the four businesses. And yeah, you should expect to see more deals in the future. And we have a very comfortable financial capacity as well as appetite for growth. And you are going to see more deals in the future.
Right, good to have you on the show. Thank you so much for highlighting your earnings and future outlook as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.